Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So this video we will talk and learn about material of biology. This material about plant cell and animal cell. But before that, let me introduce myself. So my name is Nadesh Fakila and I'm from 9.5. Plant cell and animal cell have some organs inside and their own functions. In the plant cell, the most important cell or organs is chloroplast because chloroplast can help plant to do photosynthesis. Both of them have nucleus to control the plant cell and animal cell. Also contains the genetic information. In order we can below all of the organs of plant cell and animal cell. So we have to learn one by one of the organs of plant cell and animal cell. For the first, we will talk and learn about plant cell. Plant cells are cells that make up the functions of all plant life functions. The role of plant cell is to initiate initial growth, absorb food, and produce fruit. Plant cells have several core parts inside them. The first is nucleus. Nucleus contains genetic information and contains what happened inside the cell. The second is cell membrane. Cell membrane controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. So the third is chloroplast. Chloroplast can absorb sunlight energy to help the plant to do photosynthesis. So it is most important to do photosynthesis of plant cell. The fourth, there is vacuole. Vacuole located in the middle and peak also make chloroplast aneuploids so that chloroplast easier to absorb the sunlight. The fifth is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is jelly-like substance where chemical reactions happen. The sixth, there is cell wall. Cell wall is located outer part of plant cell and to protect of all the organs. The seventh, there is mitochondria. Mitochondria is where respiration reactions happen. The eighth, there is plastida. Plastida is dynamic organelles because they are able to divide, grow, and different into various forms. After we learn about plant cell and organs inside of the plant cell, we will learn about animal cell and organs of the animal cell. Animal cell is the general name for the eukaryotic cells that make up animal tissues. Animal cells differ from other eukaryotic cells, like plant cell, in that they lack a cell wall, also chloroplast, and they usually have similar, if not known, vacuoles. Animal cells have several structures that can be learned. Number one, there is cell membrane. Cell membrane is the cell that surrounds and encloses the contents of the cytoplasm, and nucleoplasm also separates cells from the interstitial fluid around them. Number two is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm in animal cell is the part of cell covered by the plasma membrane. Also, cytoplasm consists of water, mineral, carbohydrates, fats, mineral, and vitamins. Number three is mitochondria. Mitochondria, it has two layers of indented membrane called cristae. Number four, there is lysosome. Lysosome is membrane-bound sacs containing hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosome are located in eukaryotic cells. It is useful for controlling intracellular digestion under any conditions. And the last, there is ribosome. Ribosome is to form polypeptide or protein chains using amino acids during the translation process. So, plant cell and animal cell have some the same of their organs, but also there is some the different organs of them. So that's all from me. I'm sorry if there is some mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.